TV GH Toronto, Canada. Bari bin, bari boom, bari bem. Ear.
Milo TV, body bim, body bim, body bim.
Yeah, Afa.
Milo TV, bada bim, bada boom, bada bam. Yeah.
Adesimama me church obi bia ba Milo TV kasafidie so eni dim ene ho brase kwan so ene edi kan a o hwe YouTube channel ya de se o ya nse subscribe to Milo TV. We are like my videos no comment no share na ya push agenda na yakoyenim. By way of introduction, within the Prince Kojo TV, MC Milo, Canada-based Ghanaian journalist, I'm saying YouTuber. Now, video ya me no be disclaimer. I'm immigration consultant, I'm immigration lawyer. Me just a mere factory worker. But then I have more than 15-16 years experience in journalism. Milo TV, Toronto, Canada, gonna have fun. Bada bim, bada boom, bada bim. Yeah. All right, this is what I've come to realize. Yen ye diemu, me katuntum, especially yen Ghana for. People will not sit down and do what I'm doing. But the more you sit down to do, people will talk about it. But what people, and you may be any power, and you be anyway, you want this thick skin. I the you. And of course, the yen now, yeah, the boy in Ghana for. Me share will be say mami $1, mami $1, mami $2. No. Me say, from swobia ya ye di kan, ye ba krudu mu ye ba ye no. Omo ma ba enei, me pese wo mbe bi. Ba cho ti me yi pa. Mpani se di odi ekire no, osua di odi enimo ne nante. Eno nti, me tena se ya from so nkiti bi ye no, na me boni nyina gu nchen, na mama nkirima nso aden. Abefa mu yo because omo ye ya one. Oye Ghana ni de bia na me ka me se obo se me wo Ghana na obi afre Milo TV ni me se ha so oh boss ebere bi etwa me wo boa me kakra nti gi $50 bi na fa to petrol bu kam efe keke. That is what I'm looking forward to. Enye bibia wo me mpe obi asika. I mean say kwajo say me no we are all trying our best, but then me da kwabena boaten ase wo na yes Ghanaian YouTubers e wo Canada oba kan nyina bom ame ya meji abeye baako na ne nyina ya ka bom a ya beye baako adeshima ma ne ye beye video bi na video na beye no a benefit and rise of asylum seekers in Canada. Benefits and rights of asylum seekers in Canada. Ya ka benefit are more or less according to say advantages. According to obi a wodi edu, obi a seek asylum, obi a refugee. Benefit ben wonya. Anima ben any wonya in the system I born. I know any become wasem. But you be go deep into this type of content. Why? Because mostly there are so many people who migrated from Ghana to Canada. Omo ye gay, omo ye lesbian, omo ye homosexual. Please, and you man si bone. Among for be speculative, Milo say, Yanko Diedro, I never told nobody to go and do that. Never. Pacho, and Yaman Amado by Bruchy, on our buy, no acquire your name. In cabin to be other. But me research actually me say nipa P asiki asylum. Nunti and Anna me video be to say. Eti abusua ya be shege medina say rights and duties of asylum seekers. Okay? Protection from being returned to your country of origin. Okay, first of all, obi osiki asylum be ehia ahobambo. Nti so obi di edura you need protection. Nti Canada be jew no pe baby am watna na odi utia to ene kura na mfa ne say yes what they say ye mo shelter na ye mo. Say cafes hotels ni bi skura imagine say refugee or that hotel na or enjoy life. Toronto, Canada, Milo TV gonna have fun bari bim, bari boom, bari bem. Nti ene de refugee Ghana ni bia wasiki asylum o Canada bia no. O video bi na be boa na pa. Ya be sha say. Me busa question bi na masaya kire mase o say Are asylum seekers allowed to work in Canada? Obi a wasiki asylum. Enye bia akonya da ho. Se otumi ye adwuma wɔ Canada na mɛpɔtɔ na makyerɛ mu ɛwɔ yɛ di mu sɛ if you are in the process of claiming asylum, you can legally work in Canada once you receive your work permit. Nti sɛ wosiki asylum na sɛ wonya work permit na wotumi ɛyɛ adwuma. Wɔsi the permit is free and can also be renewed for free. Permit na work permit na yɛde bɛma no ɛyɛ free o, ɛyɛ free bonto. Ɛna sɛ wo kura na sɛ bi a yɛnni w'asɛm a bagye tie ni yie, wosiki asylum a yɛdi w'asɛm. Asɛm bɛ na wɔde baa on board sɛ ɛdeɛ na ɛha wo. Yɛbɛfrɛ wo na yɛdi w'asɛm. Okay, the permit is free and can also be renewed for free. If you are still waiting for your hearing with the Immigration and Refugee Board, yes, said immediately can kaina. Say all trans be di wasem. Ayin ni wasem no. So permit ni wa akonya da ho. And no renew no maybe a friend of Vagreville, Abeda, Calgary side ho baby. Yento am so. Okay, obi nso busa say, do asylum seekers get housing in Canada? Obi osiki asylum and bia wotiminya housing ana. Okay, I say these locations have been adjusted based on local needs and growing demands. The government of Canada has approximately 4,000 temporary rooms across Canada that are providing housing for over 7,300 asylum claimants. Sir, and what the and I say, do asylum seekers get PR in Canada? Obi o seek asylum. Yes, I know correct say seek asylum you do asem na odi wom na yɛgye wo tum a na woyɛ protected person a yɛbɛma what we call permanent resident card ɛne yɛfrɛ no PR. Now, benefit a asylum seekers enya no ebi nie wosiki asylum a aban ne boa wo ɔbɛma wo sika kakra every month. Wowɔ ba a akwara no bɛkɔ school free. Afei health wise no hospital nso no ne nyinaa ɛyɛ free. Okay, kɔpem sɛ work permit ne bɛba wa wobɛyɛ w'adwene sɛ wokɔ akɔyɛ den wokɔ akɔhyɛ adwuma sɛ saa ɛne teɛ nti ɔmbɛpɛ sika bi ama wo a ɛbɛtumi aboa bosome biara sɛde bɛyɛ ɔnkɔbɔ korɔ no ɛwɔ system no mu. Melo TV people gonna have fun. Afei nso adeɛ baako a ɛyɛ very important paa Canada aban yɛ wɔ ha ɛfɛ ɛyɛ fabulous ɛyɛ guy paa ne sɛ wopɛ legal aid lawyer fa ne sɛ afei ne waba. Okay, ɔsɛ uni lawyer wopɛ legal yɛka legal aid a na kyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ lawyer a aban ɛtua ne ka. Wopɛ saa lawyer fo no bi a you can go for them na aban ɛtua ɔmo ka. But some of us we rush to go to see lawyers. Fine, and it's lawyer no so yɛ den ɔno so yɛ n'adwuma. Okay, but if you want as a refugee no, you have the right to go look for what we call legal aid lawyer. I'll be poor, copy so be now crata. All right. Yet, Tom, so you hear what are the benefits of asylum in Canada? I think somebody can be. I say, you cannot be deported or sent back to a country in which your life or freedom may be in danger on account of your race, religion, nationality, membership of a particular social group, or political opinion. This is the fundamental right of all refugees and asylum seekers. Yes. As far as I will be the drone, young found Kodi Muda, Yokum, the beer Canada by Bohombai, a Joe, a pass at Namau, a Wukrudemo. And it benefits and advantages of being asylum seeker in Canada. No, no. Okay, when so busa say, do refugees get free education in Canada? Obi a wodi eduro wɔ Canada nya bia onya free education na. School age students who have refugee status or are refugee claimants live in British Columbia and enroll in BC public school are eligible. Like once they are accepted as refugee, schooling is free in Canada. Okay, say no Opache said obi a wasiki asylum a oyɛ refugee bia no. So she says oh school our Canada are free. Once they are accepted as refugees, schooling is free in the once I do a tomb, so we are refugee. No, I we here Bambon school 7 day free. We pay for it with our taxes, so not strictly free. Now, ɔsan kyerɛ mu sɛ ayɛ na ɛtoɔ no a ɔmogyegyeɛ no ɛno na ɔmo ka bom na ɔmo de tua school no ka, but wo refugee no deɛ wontua bi, wo deɛ woyɛ free sɛ wobɛkɔ school. Now in Canada woyɛ adwuma a sei na ɔmo tetew, yɛtew federal tax the whole Canada, yɛwie a ne yɛbɛtew province na wɔ so no sɛ wote Alberta, BC, wote Calgary, Alberta, Calgary, Edmonton, wote Ontario, Toronto, wote Quebec, Montreal a yɛbɛtew that's what they saying, provincial. Nti after say yɛatew federal the whole Canada no na yɛatew provincial na yɛsan ate what we call CPP, Canada Pension Plan, old age time no ɛhɔ na wokɔ akɔ benefit Canada Pension Plan. Ansa na yɛatew EI, what we call EI, ɛno yɛ employment benefit, sɛ woyɛ adwuma na gya wɔ adwuma ɛfiri wo nsa a Canada aban no boaboa sika bia no, nti wote fie no na wotwe mmienu biara na yɛanane akɔgu account mu na wapeke up na nso wode ayɛ wode ahwɛ wo how far. Saa ɛna ɛteɛ. Milo TV Toronto, Canada, we're gonna have fun, bada bim, bada boom, bada bam. Bra, yɛboaboa yɛn ho yɛn ho wɔ deɛ menim na meka, and sɛ meyɛ video bi na wonte wo ho ase a, pick your phone and then go to the caption na me caption yɛ no, na yɛ research about what I said our video no. Eti obi nso asɛm obisa ne sɛ sɛ woyɛ refugee a wonya free dental examination anaa. No, see, the dental examination, X-rays and fillings are covered by IFHP and it is free for refugee in Canada. So bia we seek asylum bia no, the health in the sin, the better was sin amount, a free. Okay, we provide all those services to the residents of Ontario and the refugees. Sana koye ombe provide we nyina amount. Imagine say okobi manso. Now see a wokum na yagye wape baabi a mo watena. But first of all, what they do is say almost seize your passport, because we see a wokum na yape baabi a mo watena. Untimi ntu kwan kopem say yebedi wasem. Milo TV. Obi nso busa question bi say which city is best for asylum in Canada? Sa question mo for tai busa pa say city ban and the best. Which city is the best for asylum in Canada? Now, the answer no, or say there is no best place to claim asylum in Canada. Or say baby ni ho obeka say eye best and say eye worst. Everyone who arrives at a Canadian border and makes an asylum claim has their eligibility determined by the same two agencies, the CBSA and the RCMP. If they are eligible to make a claim, they are referred to the same agency, Refugee Board of Canada. Okay? Sanity. Nti opache say bibie ni ho a sheda esiuti say usiki asylum Montreal is the best, and now usiki asylum Toronto is the best, and now Calgary, and now Nunavut, and now whatever. Process ni bibia is the same thing. Sa and opache. All right, and so. I say, how long does it take for a refugee to become a citizen? Obi nso busa say aja wo siki asylum awie ya obese oye Canada kroba o handle omo passport no etiki how long. I say to be eligible for Canadian citizenship you must have been physically present in Canada for at least 1,095 days in the 5 years immediately before the date of your application. Ajetini pa at least also 1,095 days in the first 5 years immediately before the date of your application. More or less enough. And so what be the draw? You do peer amount. Remember, in Finchia me and Sa, which me apply for Canada on passport. But then, ubeko courses be a exam be and sana why then. No, say how long do refugees get benefits in Canada? And never so say in Finchia saying. Finchia do saying will be a refugee wonya financial support or Canada. And financial support can last up to 1 year after a refugee arrives in Canada or until they can support themselves, which occurs first. Special needs clients selected under the Joint Assistance Sponsorship Program may get Resettlement Assistance Program. And the opportunity is, how long do refugees get benefits in Canada? And the benefit I'll be free about bɛyɛ sɛ afe sɛ yɛnni w'asɛm a wobɛtumi ade benefit no akɔpem sɛ bɛdi w'asɛm anaasɛ mpo wobɛnya work permit na wobɛfrɛ mu aka kyerɛ mo sɛ social worker anaa me case worker, please me work permit ayɛ dɛn aba. Of course menyɛ adwuma saa ɛne teɛ. Enti obi nso busa sɛ, do refugees in Canada pay taxes? Yes. Over time, refugees pay more in income tax on average than they receive in public benefits and services. However, this does not represent all taxes paid, like sales taxes or, as far as our urban system, no more also we ejuma na de we ejuma. Of course, you beto eto. Ebi mo epeto, but omo mpɛ sɛ ɔmo betua to. Tell you me can say. Okay, obi nso question obusa ne say, do refugees have to pay back money? We are refugee aban mu a ɔde abɔ no, do you have to pay it back? A year after their plane touches down in Canada, refugees are required to start repaying their travel loans, but it can be a challenge for larger families. Many are struggling to find meaningful work, cover rising costs, learn a new language, and find their place in a new country. Now, the opportunity say there are some countries bi wɔ hɔ a sɛ wofiri hɔ ba Canada abɛsiki asylum a dodoɔ na ɔmo ni sika a ɔmo de bɛfa aeroplane te sɛ ntɔkwa sii Somalia na dodoɔ kɔpapa kɔfa ɔmo baeɛ no ɔmo ni bi. Syria kɔfa refugees baeɛ na bi ɔmo nso ni sika nti wobɛdu a ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ adwuma na wotua saa ka no. Ɛnyɛ biribiara wo, but plane ticket no you have to pay it back to the government. Alright, nti obisa sɛ do refugees in Canada get OHIP? That means they are eligible to apply for provincial health insurance right away. Having health insurance allows refugees to get a wide range of health services paid for by the Ontario Health Insurance Plan. Ontario Health Insurance Plan and your friend OHIP. Yes. As far as our refugee, you go hospital free of charge, free bonto. So that means that refugees don't have to pay for those services out of their own pocket. Bano, wakovani na untu and free bottom. Okay, what is the Canadian? Alright, until we say, what is the disadvantage of asylum in Canada? However, there are also disadvantages to seek asylum in neighboring countries. Refugees may face limited civil rights and live in limbo or confinement in refugee camps or marginal urban settings. Debi ana ye video ana ka say me say stay away from trouble no. Ho free ba. Wo issue fan say wo US. Na pese oba Canada be seek asylum. Na only US government no atentam. Fan say wakoye boni bi e criminal oba krom ha. Omo share common information. Ati omo process na ebi puli aba ne ma be giegu emfa. Okay, so far the market say yeah, I say, can I leave Canada as a refugee? As an in Canada refugee claimant, you can leave Canada and apply to the Atlantic Immigration Program or the Newfoundland and Labrador Provincial Nominee Program if you meet program requirements. An Immigration Program Development Officer will determine your eligibility for free program processing. So system no whatever program be a benefited and I beneficial to you biano as a refugee, you can go for it. Now, what you now asylum seeker, what do you have to do? Pick your phone, call benefits and advantages of being a refugee in Canada. Watch Google, poppy up no information about now church now. You know, you never know. Canada is a land of unlimited opportunities. You could make your life here. Bit me live now, bit me in your trip now the other. Now the coffee. Milo TV Toronto, Canada. Barry bim, Barry boom, Barry bam. Now say how long is wait for? Is the waiting time for asylum claims in Canada? Projected wait times are approximately 24 months for refugee claims and 12 months for refugee appeals. Okay, see in here. Obusa say, how long is the wait for? Say we dear do we no. It take you how long and sana or my friend would you asem. Ibu ha afe. Abu sukura 24 months. Maybe the 24 months and sana ye frame ya kudi masem. Sa enete. And I feel no. Obi nso busa say you refuse to. What could you ask me? You refuse to. What do you have to do? You have to do appeal. Na what was oh. Obisa for you didn't be here and some no doso. Na actually you be sign the other. You be sign the next one at one so. Obi nso busa the last question you be here answer na you say does Canada welcome asylum seekers? The Canada omoji refugee force one. According to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, any person whose life is in danger in their own country has the right to seek protection and asylum in another country. Ubia human rights and nature say ubia when your problem or when my be and could do a my for so with me and then ekobata abaina or say or konidima issue opinion. Canada is a signatory to the 1951 Convention relating to the status of refugees and respects the individual right to claim asylum. No, say Canada, your main beer. In fact, omoji jini paso. Almost so one so set nipa bi dear drew. Na ebe born home by no so nya setna na watena kuye. Minim say na video ya me no wayi wani so. Say wo padido na wako na wabo ahye benefits of a refugee or asylum seeker in Canada. Within the Friends Koji TV, MC Milo, Canada-based Ghanaian journalist and YouTuber. Subscribe, like, and comment, and share. Namaste.
Milo TV, varabim, varabum, varabim. Yeah.